Good. 3800 Series 2 rocker arm installation. You're gonna go down, set the pedestals. Just thread these in with your hands a little bit. That way they're seated. So you're gonna pick up on this one arm and rotate it like that. You're gonna put some assembly lube on the bottom of the push rod. Put that down into the lifters. All the way down there, sit down like that. Put some more assembly lube, top of the push rod. Put your rocker back down on it. So you want the rocker to be squared with the valve springs. So you want to sit the valve springs, have it sit in the center, and hand tighten the arm. Just to the point where the arm is not moving around anymore and it's centered right on the valve spring. Like that.